So, I haven't posted on YouTube for a while, so I'm just gonna record this video, and yeah, when this loads. Load faster, please, thank you. See, I've been sucking these days now. I don't know why. See what I'm saying? Saying? This game, I'm bored, another game. Another game took. Just. Oh, shit. Oh, hooked way too early. No, that was too early. Oh, God. Flip. Where is it flip? There you go. Are you kidding me? Damn it. See, I've been sucking. Come on. Oh, how did the fuck? I'm pissed at that one. Alright. Why does it? Yes. Alright. Just hook. Hit. Oh my god. What? Oh, there it is. Bruh. I'm afraid to move over because it will do this. Yes, it will do that. Let me try lefty. See if I can get that spare lefty. Because I started lefty. Oh, well, see if I can get straight lefty. Now I can get another lefty. That's really nice. See, I can get a spare lefty. Wrong thing. Oh, too fucking far. Gutter. Well, oh man. Bro, I got it. Bro, I got it. I got the 710 on that. I got it. Oh my god.